Here we have two options. One to replicate it as a 3x data source, and or else we can do it in a 7.0 version. We will do it in 7.0 version. We don't need 3x because we are creating custom data flow. So keep it as 7.0 version. It's taking some time to replicate. Here we have to check the data source now. Yeah, this is the data source. One underscore COPS area. Now it is available in BW system once we replicate it. So first of all, we go to SE11, which is a transaction for ABAP dictionary, and here in order to find this field, we have to go to the database table. So this is the database table which answers our question for the, I mean, it gives the information about the relevant field names to the info object names and info object names to the field names. So if we have a field name, we want to find the relevant info objects, then we have to go to this data source table, RSOS field map, and we can get the information. If we have info object names and we want to find the relevant field name, we can go to the same database table and we can find the information in this. So we have to give RSOS and display. This is the steps you need to carefully note to get the information so that it is available. I mean, it is very useful for creating while creating the data sources like customer generated data sources and generic data sources for everything, like for all types of generic data sources and customer generated data sources, and for many other situations. There are a lot of scenarios where we can use this database table. So here you can see this is the contents. You have to click on this contents. Here you can see that there is a field name here and info object name. So you can either get the info object name or field name. So for multiple entries, you have to click this. Here now we will see which one to. We haven't got this. You got that? I haven't got this. You can see there some of them are duplicates. I mean, most of them are duplicates. We are finding the ones we need to find the info object name. K-star is a famous field. It is a cost element. You will use it many times in controlling and in production planning in many situations. So let's execute this. Zero chart of accounts for KTOPL. K star is zero cost element. BU date is posting date. So let's see, there can be more than one field, so you need to see which one is the more appropriate. So when you decide the field, you have to check the source system and the data sources which it is used in. For example, you have seen this zero posting date. It is in version D, delivered version, and it is in production source system. So if you have one or two other names, one or two info objects for one field, then you can decide on appropriate uh, field by seeing it source system. For example, we are using T9 client. Our system is T9 client, and you can use such active version. Generally, there is a posting date, BUDAT, so zero posting date looks good for me. Yeah. You see this one, this field is 0 CO pen TSL. So let's see this field. So it is with the same name. Can you guys hear me? Is my voice clear?
Yes, I hear you.
Here we have KTOPL, which is chart of accounts. So I guess we have took that. Here PSP and WBS element. FADAT, which is T underscore FADAT. So here it is used for same copart